complicated question, so let me maybe take it part by part. So starting maybe with very strictly the legal question of whether it is legal for Frontex to provide sighting information to the Libyan Coast Guard. I think it's important to emphasize that informing the relevant marine rescue coordination or maritime rescue coordination centers in a region where a distress situation occurs is an undisputable obligation under the international law of the sea. And so we do not consider the transmission of sighting information of vessels in distress in the Libyan territorial sea or in the search and rescue area under the responsibility of Libya to the Libyan authority, recognized by the International Maritime Organization as the responsible authority, to be a violation of law. And in general, saving the life of people on board of a vessel in distress is an absolute priority. Now, when it comes to the question of accountability, of the accountability of the agency or control of the agency, I would like to emphasize that the Commission fully plays its role in the management board of the agency and makes sure that the board takes up all relevant issues to allow the agency to make progress. And in fact, at the next management board meeting on the 7th of May, which is next Friday, the Commission will bring up the issue of search and rescue in the Mediterranean and contacts with the Libyan Coast Guard to make sure that there is full clarity on the subject. And more broadly, as you may know, the Management Board has identified issues in relation to the agency's serious incident reporting process. Now, to make sure that the Board follows closely the remedial actions that have been requested from the agency, the Commission has been supportive of the proposal made by the Executive Board of the agency, so a smaller group under the leadership of the chair, to set up a permanent working group within the Management Board on the issues of governance, fundamental rights, and operations. And at the next extraordinary Management Board meeting, the Commission will continue working to build support for this proposal, in particular by making a presentation to the Member States' representatives on the Management Board to outline why such a permanent group is in fact necessary. And finally, about your question about the mental health of staff of Frontex, I believe this is more a question to the agency itself. As Frontex is a decentralized agency, it is the agency itself that is responsible for its staff and has the duty of care towards its personnel. So these issues, which may indeed be very important in the context of the difficult work done by the staff of the agency, is something that would be the responsibility of the agency's management to address.